Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming both SIM cards are recognized and active, because the phone needs both profiles present to swap data. Once done, unlock the phone and go straight to Settings, then Dual SIM or SIM Card Manager. This is where Vivo places the mobile data control. Make sure you see SIM1 and SIM2 labels. That visual confirms which is primary now. You will use the mobile data or default data SIM option next to change which SIM supplies internet. Now choose SIM2 as the default data SIM. Tap default data SIM and pick SIM2 so the phone routes internet through the second card. After switching, check the APN settings for SIM2 under Settings Mobile Network Access Point Names. Selecting the correct APN ensures mobile data connects properly. If your plan uses 4G only or needs data roaming, enable 4G/VO LTE or data roaming for SIM2. This avoids connectivity drops. These steps handle the complex middle. Finish by confirming the data icon corresponds to SIM2 and then test by opening a browser or an app that uses internet. This proves the change worked. If you don't get connectivity, toggle mobile data off and then restart the phone to clear temporary conflicts. Make sure to monitor speeds briefly to ensure APN applied. If problems persist, reset network settings or manually re-enter SIM2 APN details. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves persistent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.